Today's weather caused numerous tractor-trailer accidents across the state. You're looking at photos of a tractor-trailer that jackknifed on I-91 North in Whately this morning. And this jackknife tandem trailer closed all eastbound lanes of the Mass Pike in Charlton. Because of the snow, MassDOT imposed restrictions, reducing the speed limit on the Pike to 40 miles per hour, which also prohibits tandem trailers and trucks carrying propane on the Pike. Drivers said they worry about big rigs rolling on snow-covered roads.
Like stopping in the middle of a traffic jam or something, I see them have a real hard time. So, and if they're behind you, you get really scared. You know, they come up real close.
The fine for operating a tandem trailer during restrictions is $500.